you do it on purpose? Did you do that on purpose? Did you?
I'm off the answer.
We have yet to be on the second floor, but we are going to the green cabin room. So, we don't have like cadendras. Oh my
gosh, she hasn't even had her first drink yet.
Cadendras. I did it.
No, that's not even close.
Quadendra. Nope, that's wrong.
No.
I give up.
Credenza.
That's what I said.
You weren't even.
Except for when the second one, I didn't say that.
No, you didn't say that on any of them. You weren't even close on any of them. Thank God it's on tape so I can prove myself this time.
Look, it's a thing full of knots. It's art. The art of knots.
It is not.
Yeah, it is. That's what it is. I named it. And we have chairs with starfish. Okay. Let's go. I've been tapped on the shoulder.
Only my wife on the way to the Green Lantern Lounge here.
Not
Would
lantern.
have to stop and vlog starfish upholstery on the chairs.
I'm just letting everybody know. Oh, this is cool. Shirt and shoes are required. Green cabin room. Okay, this reminds me of a Minion. Doesn't that remind you of a Minion? Like, I could see a Minion wearing this as a costume.
It's a little bit like one, but that's not what it is.
Okay, this is super cool. There's only one other couple in here. Ooh, diving stuff.
Just to give you a lounge update.
I recently watched that, like probably 2 weeks ago. It's like a classic.
We're about 35 minutes left.
You want to sit in one of these up here, right here, over here by the TV.
I don't know.
A little corner.
Yeah, the corner's fine if you think so. We're trying to pick a place, because we have so many options. I'm just mesmerized.
If I sit here, am I in your way?
Uh-oh. Did you hear the other people say they were watching What About Mary? Oh, what is this book? Okay, I gotta put on my reader so I can find out what all this stuff is. But first, let me look at the menu and decide what drink I'm gonna have. So many goodies. So here you can actually get dessert. And this bread pudding with banana walnut, chocolate chip, and bourbon caramel sauce. Oh, that sounds amazing. I'm getting that. Tom is getting the key lime brulee. I almost did a watermelon margarita, but I didn't think that would go well with a bread pudding, so I'm going to get a rum swizzle. So rum with tropical juices and guava and mango juice flavors. And Tom is going to get the Captain's Mai Tai, rum, amaretto, tropical juices, and some more dark rum. Lots of good options here. So this hailing trumpet was actually used for like captains to speak to each other from ship to ship, kind of like a megaphone. And then this, like a megaphone.
Okay, you got that right.
Oh, he said I got that right, yay. And this is a brass door lock where they would like lock up. It's basically to lock up the ship's treasure room. The thing is huge. Look how big that key is. Ooh, they have a domino set and a toddy ladle. Oh my gosh, this is authentic. Like, it has a certificate of historic artifact. It is from the 1715 Spanish plate fleet. It is, they're pieces of like olive jars. Isn't that so cool? So the Spanish plate fleet departed Havana, Cuba, bound for Spain. Had lots of treasure on the ship, but a hurricane forced the fleet into the reefs of the Florida East Coast. That is so cool. So we have Tom's and my fruity looking drink. Tom's Brulee, and let's just say that my bread pudding smells absolutely amazing. Like,
So welcome, enjoy.
I wish that you guys could smell this. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be wonderful. So I just like opened this up to cut it, and all like the chocolate melted, the chocolate chips that are melted, oh, just oozed out. Oh, amazing. I meant to tell you guys something yesterday, you know, last night, our first day here, and totally forgot. So I'm sitting here looking for like lights all over because I wanted to like sit out here and read at night, listening to the waves. Oh, by the way, it's so cool. I feel like I see the, you know, the like the iridescent waves when they break. Like we're seeing some of that. It's really cool. But anyway, and then I remembered there are no, I know it's totally dark, there are no lights out here because of the sea turtles. You can't have lights on these buildings because of the sea turtles hatching and stuff. So if you could see, it's like really, really dark. All the lights throughout are like down low, and they're so low that the greenery, they're like, the greenery is high, the foliage is higher, so there's no turtles can see like any lights like that. Now of course they'd be able to see lights if this was on, but I guess they gotta have some type of light, but like we do. But anyway, wanted to mention that to you guys. I know it's totally dark, like does not make good for video recording, but anyway. All right, everybody, this is it for tonight. It's, I don't know, maybe 10ish. We're already kind of tired. Make sure you come back for tomorrow so that you can see what amenities we are going to take advantage of. We're actually going to show more of the resort, all the places we haven't been and saw yet. And what else? I don't know. You're just gonna have to come back and see. This is only our second night. Many more nights to come, many more vlogs. Can y'all actually hear the ocean outside? Because we actually have the patio door open and it's like really, really loud. Oh, plus tomorrow is very interesting. We talked to, at the lounge, at our drinks. Oh, by the way, our drinks were really good. We stayed in there a long time. We talked with the bartender for quite a while since it wasn't busy and she was able to come to our table. We asked her lots of questions about the resort. So we're going to give you all the information that she gave us. A lot of interesting facts about the resort. And yeah, see you at the parks.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place, always been a restless girl, but now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way, longing for you.